Building our dream house, Part 1. Allow us to walk you through the step-by-step process of constructing our house. Do you know the first step in house building? Spoiler. It's not laying the foundation. Alright, home builders. What do you think is the first step in building a house? Clearing the site, laying the foundation, or installing windows? Comment below with your guess. If you guessed clearing the site, you're absolutely right. Here's why it's so important. First, we remove any debris. Think rocks, trees, old structures to get a clean slate. So next time you see a construction site, you'll know it all starts with clearing the way. Second step was to mark the site according to your architectural plan. Watch how we dig and pour the foundation. Ever seen a concrete mixer in action? Let's take a closer look. But first we started by taking blessings from the elders of our family. These are the foundation walls. In Pakistan, we often use reinforced concrete for a strong foundation. It's a mix of cement, sand, gravel, and water. Following that, we began constructing the walls for the first story of our house. Can you tell? How high would they go? Comment below. Even higher. You can see the walls rising steadily. Brick by brick. The construction team worked diligently. And with each layer, the structure climbs higher. Even higher. Eventually, the walls reach an impressive height of 10 feet, marking a significant milestone in our building journey. Here comes the most crucial part of any building structure: building the roof. But first, conduits were installed. Conduits are protective tubes or channels used to enclose and protect electrical wiring. The process of constructing an entire roof with concrete is typically referred to as laying the roof slab or pouring the roof slab. Ceaseless pouring the entire day. Slowly but surely, the concrete is spread and leveled, creating a strong and solid roof that will cap our structure.
2,000 years later.
After the meticulous process of pouring the concrete for the roof slab, and after almost finishing leveling, when the workers were waiting for the treat, horrors of rain started to haunt us.